Trezor wallet versus Armory wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the Trezor wallet and Armory wallet to help you choose the one that best suits your cryptocurrency storage needs. Trezor wallet is a hardware wallet designed for security-conscious users who want to store their cryptocurrencies offline. Supporting over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, the Trezor Model T offers a touchscreen interface, secure offline private key storage, and advanced features like passphrase protection and two-factor authentication. Trezor also integrates seamlessly with various software wallets and exchanges, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Regular firmware updates ensure it stays secure against emerging threats. Trezor is ideal for users looking to safeguard large amounts of cryptocurrency over the long term with the highest level of security. Armory Wallet, on the other hand, is an open-source, desktop-based wallet tailored specifically for Bitcoin users. It's renowned for its advanced security features, such as multi-signature support, cold storage capabilities, and custom transaction fee control. Armory is aimed at highly technical users who need robust Bitcoin security and are comfortable navigating a more complex user interface. It doesn't support other cryptocurrencies, so if you need multi-currency functionality, this wallet isn't for you. However, for Bitcoin maximalists who prioritize security and advanced transaction control, Armory is an excellent choice. In conclusion, the decision between Trezor and Armory comes down to your priorities. If you need a versatile wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies with an easy-to-use offline hardware solution, Trezor Wallet is the better option. However, if you're a Bitcoin-only user seeking maximum control over transactions and advanced security features, Armory Wallet may suit your needs better. Both wallets are leaders in their respective categories, so your choice depends on your specific use case. Check the description for links to both wallets and decide which aligns with your crypto strategy.